The Christmas rush is around the corner. Etsy is banning pages. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can deplatform yourself from sites like Etsy and get yourself onto a different platform where you can get more than 33,000 store visits like I've had in the past 3 months, as well as selling more than 100 digital products, as well as print-on-demand products using the same method. So let's get started. I come from way down in Africa, from a country called Zambia, where we do not have access to Etsy or Printify. So I've had to get ingenuitive. I've had to find a way to make this online money. So my simple solution was the most accessible internet service, which is the Metaverse. The MetaSuite by Mark Zuckerberg. From the Metaverse, I've been able to create a store on Instagram where I've earned over 1,000 followers over the past 1 year. And with those 1,000 followers, I've had lots of recurring customers, and that has allowed me to get a lot of passive income during the month. So I'll be walking onto the dashboard, my PC, and I'll be showing you how you should be able to set up a site. So we're going to move on to Instagram. And don't worry that you're at the bottom. I'm just using a different camera angle to be able to work through my PC. What happens when you get to Instagram is that you have to make a post of the good you're trying to sell. But to get traffic to that good, you need to do one of two things. It's either you do organic marketing or paid adverts. I know lots of people hate paid adverts, but I've always used paid adverts, and it's allowed me to get more than 33,000 views or visits of the page over the past 3 months and be able to sell more than 100,000 and also have retaining, oh, not 100,000, sell over 100 items to people and have returning customers who made me their go-to guy for print on demand as well as their digital products. So this is how you go about it. Once you make that post on Instagram, then the very next step is going to be you boost the post. So the first option you're going to see is, what do you want people to do when they see your ad? This is quite simple. I have a simple breakdown for this. There are 3 things that could happen when people see your ad, and that is they visit your profile, visit your website, or message you. I'll go through them step by step. Visiting your profile, it's quite useful, for example, in our instance where we're talking about a wedding business. If you have a wedding business and you have other services to offer in relation to weddings, for example, like decor, as well as sound system hiring, and you've curated your Instagram page to be one of those, show that I have decor and sound system hiring, then visit your profile will be the best, because once a couple or a willing person who's going into a marriage sees that there is decor on your page, they see that there is a wedding gift. And also don't forget that I have a product that's coming out that I'll be sharing on this video, how a step by step on how you can make a product. So like and subscribe so that we know that you'd like to see that video. So with profile visit, this will allow a person to see what you have on offer, and it allows you to grow a page. So it allowed me to grow my page from having a mere 20, which was like 20 people that I know, which I know is a lot, 20 people. But by using this profile, I've been able to get to like 1,000 people who've been able to like and follow my page, and I've gotten lots of clients from that and lots of recurring clients based on that. The second option is to visit a website. With visiting a website, I know the whole concept of this video has been to deplatform from Etsy and eventually deplatform from sites like Instagram to have your own website so that people know that you're quite professional and you're offering a service to them, and they'll be able to use that service once you're offering it to them. So a website allows you to do that. A website makes you the king of your own domain. But what I mean by king of your own domain is that no one is going to ban you on your own website, and no one is going to deplatform you from your website. You can run discounts, you can make lots of changes, so many different things that you're limited using certain sites like Etsy that your own website is going to empower you with. By using the second option, it's going to allow you to basically just input your own website, allow for people to book you online. It's going to allow for your sales to be much independent from all these sites that are run like by Mark Zuckerberg. And that's a very important skill, because you won't be dictated by the algorithm of this particular website like Instagram or Etsy, but you have your own fan base being built on the site. Lastly, it would be messaging you. I use messaging you to allow me to now have clients. Now, this is where your sales skills are going to come into hand. For me, when I basically generally use the messaging skill, because with the messaging skill, it's just going to allow me to be able to get people to a soft close. In another video, I'll be able to show you how you can set up on your Instagram, you'll be able to set up automatic answers so that somebody can speak to you, speak to your bot, so that your bot allows you to be able to soft close these things. So I basically have like certain prompts that I use where a person will be like, oh, I'm interested in this. They'll be like, this is how you go about it. You make your payments this way, and you should be able to get this product within this set number of days. But I'll do a specific video breaking down how to do that. So just like and let me know that, or just write me a comment just saying like you'd like to know how to soft close, because selling is an important thing. And trust me, for the past 1 year I've been a bad salesperson, but I've been learning gradually, and I think from what I've learned I should be able to share with you, and it'll be quite beneficial to the whole lot of you. All right, for second option, of course, it's going to be, who do you want to see your ads? This is quite important. Hear me out. As a person coming from Africa, where we have limited to no access to things like Etsy, as I've already mentioned in the start of this video, it has become quite crucial if I want to do any business with people outside of my continent, outside of my country, that this option from the Meta Suite allows me to be able to access it. What it allows is I can use a suggested audience. With suggested audience, it's going to just limit the ads to the people within my country, and that's going to be easier for business purposes. But when I use create your own, which is going to be like entering your own target audience and demographic, this one is the magic key, the amazing one. What it does is it will allow you to create an audience name. It's going to allow you to create for a specific location. So for us, we've already talked about it being a business, a wedding type of business gift or digital product or whatever services we're going to do. So we know that you could set an age limit and say, okay, people who get married probably can say it's going to start from 25, and you're going to have a minimum age to which people are going to be shown this ad. You can do it to 25, then you're going to limit it up until like a certain age, let's say 35. So it's going to be targeted to those people in a particular area or in a particular audience. This option is going to allow you to be able to curate your own demography of people that you'd like to be on your page, so that it doesn't show the adverts to random people who will not even care. If we're doing a wedding type project, you know that only people in this demography are going to be very interested. So it's going to be able to allow you to curate that very list of people that you want, and you can have that suggested audience, and it's going to help you grow that. So which is a very cool option. Aside from that, the next thing we're going to look at is the money aspect. The money aspect comes in the form of, what is your ad budget? It's quite easy. It's quite simple. For me, this one is one that I typically enjoy, because what you have to do is, if I'm trying out a new product that I don't know, that hasn't been tested in the market, I just reduce it all the way down to $1. By reducing to $1 and putting it for 6 days, what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to know if the product is a winner. How do you know a product is a winner? You know a product is a winner if it gets enough likes and it's shared to many people, as well as people are saving it for future reference. When I do an ad product on my page, once I give it a 3-day test, if 3 days people are contacting me, then I know this product is a winner. If within 3 days people aren't liking it or sharing it as much, and I know that there might be something wrong, then I might need to go back to the drawing book and create a new product. By setting it up for those days, you should do this exactly as I've mentioned. It's going to allow you to know like if this product is a winner or if it's not a winner. And the options that this allows you is you can set a duration, or when I know I have a winning product that I know is doing very well, I basically just put it on run this ad until I pause it. What this allows is like every day I'm going to have an influx of people, and when I see that the ad is a true winner and it's getting lots of money, I increase the budget. There's no harm in increasing the budget to about even $10. It's going to give you a reach of, as you can see on the screen, 14,000 to 37,000 people who will be able to see this product. And if you've curated it to a specific audience, and these are the audience that is searching out for who are going to be seeing this ad, it means that there are lots of people who are going to be interested, and it's going to be up to you to close your sale. As I mentioned in the message in you, for you to be able to close your sale, and once you close your sale, it's going to allow you to get this audience that you've created, and you'll be able to make money. Once that is done, it's quite simple and clear. You just boost your post, and once your post is boosted, you're set, and that is all. If you enjoyed this video and you'd want to get yourself a website, I would implore you to just click the link below, because I'm from Zambia and it's easier for us to make you a website that you'd be happy with. And also, I have a video where I'm going to show you a Christmas product that you could be able to steal from me and copy and be able to sell it on your own. See you in the next one.